Hey everyone, it's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another video, brand new video review of MATICFARM, a new DAPP on Polygon chain that will launch soon in 5 hours when I'm doing this video. So guys, I'm giving you early notification here so you can join early. That's the whole deal. So let's begin. Alright guys, so I'm back. Let's discuss why I think this one is interesting, why I think it might give me some profit. But before we move forward, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is a financial advice. This is purely my speculation and I'm doing this for educational purposes only. I am Degen addict and I'm just showing you my journey. I am doing a lot of dApps, diversifying heavily. I'm doing this on scale. So at the end, I am successful, but can you manage so many dApps? I'm not sure. But okay, let's focus on this one right now because it's a little bit different. I mean, the structure is very similar to most of the Matic dApps, stakers, printers, however you want to call it. But here they changed the length of the first package. Okay, usually it's 14 days. Here it is 10 days. The daily earnings here you see the basic interest will increase 0.5% every 24 hours. So basically it will increase all the time until it reaches this 0.05%. So after half of day, it will already reach 0.25%. But this is only for new deposits. So new people coming in after this thing launches will get a slightly higher ROI, making it more fair if they didn't join early. Even though I still advise you to join early as the earliest possible to make your chances of profiting here higher. So 12.3% daily for the savings plan. The first one, followed 10 days, will give you an ROI of 23%. So that's pretty good, I guess. I might go with this one because for 10 days, 22%, pretty nice. And then I'm probably, if the balance is growing steadily, not too many whales, I might decide to go with a little bit more after one day. Or that's just my thoughts. I'm not sure what I will do. Remember, always do your own research, guys, and decide yourself. Okay, I'm not here to make you do anything. Okay. And the second plan, Classics, paying 9.1% daily with a total ROI of 136.5% for 15 days. So usually it was for 21 days. In the first one, you'll get your initial deposit back, the savings, roughly in less than 8 days. But you cannot take your principal out. You can only get it back in dividends. So here, this is also interesting. 9.1%. It will take 11 days or more or less to get your initial deposit back with the dividends. You can withdraw them daily, basically anytime. And the total ROI here is 136.5%. So pretty nice, pretty nice. But there are some things that you need to take into consideration. The last daily plan for 20 days, paying 8.6% with a pretty high ROI. And I guess some people will go with that because they are used to going into 20 days plans. This return is much higher than in the 15 days plan. You will get your deposit back also in more or less 10, 12, 11 days, and then you'll be earning profit for the next remaining like 8 days, and you can get 72% clear profit here. So, well, it looks attractive. These are the locked plans that are more risky because you cannot take your daily earnings here. You can only withdraw after the plan ends. So if a lot of people goes with this plan, after 10 days they will withdraw a lot. Okay, they will take a lot from the contract, and this will pay until there is a balance left on the contract. So this is pretty risky. because if you are not fast enough, and this will deplete, it happens. You won't take anything, okay? But here you'll be able to take daily withdrawals. So after a couple of days, you'll already have most of your deposit back. So I'm probably sticking with daily plans. Here you'll see your earnings, the available Matic for withdrawal. You can only withdraw the whole amount that is accrued here from the dividends. You can also refer if you want to get some additional income from here. They have a 5-level juicy referral program. They will have an audit by Hayes published at launch. Uh, they're just waiting for it to be published on the Hayes website. They do have a pretty huge Telegram group. I'm not sure why so many people there, maybe from the previous Dapps. And they do have Twitter. They've done some graphics. So yeah, you can check that as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to do your own research, guys. Okay, I might be wrong. This is only a speculation. If you like this content, you can give me a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow the channel, and you will get an early notifications about systems like that. But I will also change my content from time to time because trends are changing, and there will be more liquidity mining tokens soon. That's what I'm planning. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.